Okay, one thing that we built into the system, which you might find really handy, is a manage favorites folders option. And you get to where your folders are from this link here. And as you add things as favorites, they show up right here. You can see right now I don't have any saved items, and it tells me that my folder is empty. The reason why they decided to implement this is that this ASDLIB community blog is set up around the ASDLIB library. And so if you were in here, searching through different items that we haven't, oops, that one doesn't have anything, different things that we have in the library, you might, think, wow, I think I might want to use this later in my class or something like that. And so you could save them into a folder. So when you get a listing like this, you do not have the option to add it to your folder. But when you go into an article, you have this option here to add to your folder. So I'm going to add this article by Carol into my folder. And now you can see that it shows up over here. I'm going to put a couple of more things in here. I'm going to put this blog help item in there. And let's see. I'm going to go get another help item. So I have what is a blog, and how about creating a post? I'm going to add that to my folder too. Okay, so I have 3 things in my main folder. If this gets to be 12, 15, 20 things, it's going to go all the way down the page and be hard to manage. So if you go to manage my items, or you can manage up here, you can get a bigger view of your folder and you can create new ones. So I have 2 articles here about help and another one that is about introduction to lasers. So maybe it's a learning module. So I'm going to create one folder called help documents, and I'm going to create another one called modules. And you can create tons and tons of folders, whatever you want to do. And then when you want to move them, you just put the mouse on there and drag it and drop it into the folder that you want it to go into. Likewise, if you're, oops, I got them in the wrong ones. I'll put that one there. Put this one in here. 3 types of blogs goes in here. So main is empty now. You can delete any folder or anything in a folder, but you can't delete the main folder because that is a default so that this thing has somewhere to put stuff. That's basically it. If you want to use items that you put into these folders, you can see how to do that if you go to the initial screen and select the how to make an anthology. This, let me just go back there. Saving and managing favorite posts, the folder that you create in here is tied to creating an anthology. And there's a video in this area if you want to see how you can use your folder items to create a larger set of posts that are related to one another based on your interpretation. So start saving and managing, and get into the library. Thanks.